Welcome to MotionRev, where the world's most exciting cars come to life. From futuristic supercars to cutting-edge EVs, we explore speed, design, and performance like never before. Lamborghini just did the unthinkable. They didn't just update a legend, they replaced it. The naturally aspirated V10, one of the most emotional engines ever built, is gone. The sound, the raw aggression, the high-revving character that defined the Huracan has been silenced, and in its place stands something completely different. This is the Lamborghini Temerario, a hybrid machine built not only to replace the Huracan, but to prove that the future can be even more intense than the past. But that raises one question: can electrification truly outperform the soul of a V10? To understand the weight of this moment, you have to go back to what made the Huracan special. Its 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 wasn't just an engine, it was an experience. It screamed all the way to redline, delivering a raw, mechanical connection between driver and machine. It didn't rely on turbos. It didn't rely on electric assistance. It was pure. And now, it's gone. The Temerario steps in with a completely new philosophy. At its core is a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, paired with a tri-motor hybrid system. This isn't just about replacing cylinders with technology. It's about redefining how performance is delivered. The combined system produces close to 900 horsepower, placing it far beyond the Huracan in terms of raw output. But numbers alone don't tell the full story. What makes the Temerario unique is how it delivers that power. The twin-turbo V8 brings forced induction into Lamborghini's mid-engine lineup, delivering explosive acceleration across the rev range. But unlike traditional turbocharged engines, the hybrid system eliminates lag completely. Electric motors respond instantly, filling in every gap, every hesitation, every moment where power would normally build. The result is continuous, relentless acceleration. And then there's the redline, 10,000 revolutions per minute. For a twin-turbo engine, this is almost unheard of. As the revs climb, the Temerario doesn't fade, it intensifies. The sound builds into a sharp, high-frequency scream that blends combustion with electrified precision. It's not the same as the V10, but it's not trying to be. It's something new, something engineered to deliver emotion in a completely different way. From the outside, the design reflects this transformation. The Temerario is sharper, more aggressive, and more aerodynamic than the Huracan. Every line is tighter, every intake more functional, every surface designed to manage airflow at extreme speeds. The front end is low and focused, with angular lighting signatures that give it a futuristic identity. Large air channels direct cooling toward both the combustion engine and the hybrid components, ensuring performance remains consistent under pressure. At the rear, the design becomes even more technical. The exhaust placement, diffusers, and aerodynamic elements all work together to stabilize the car at high speed. This isn't just designed for style, it's designed for control. Inside, the cabin takes a major step forward in technology. Digital displays replace traditional gauges, providing real-time performance data, hybrid system feedback, and customizable driving modes. The driver is no longer just controlling a car, they're managing a high-performance system. But the real question remains: does it feel like a Lamborghini? On the road, the answer becomes clearer. The acceleration is immediate, aggressive, and continuous. There's no waiting for power, no drop in intensity. The hybrid system ensures that the car is always pushing forward, always responding, always alive. Through corners, torque vectoring from the electric motors enhances grip and stability. The car feels planted, precise, and incredibly sharp. It doesn't just rely on brute force. It uses intelligence to maximize performance. And yet, the emotion is still there. It's different, but it's real. The Temerario doesn't try to replicate the past. It builds on it. It takes the raw DNA of Lamborghini and evolves it into something that fits the future of performance. This is not the funeral of the V10. It's the rebirth of Lamborghini's identity. A shift from pure mechanical aggression to a fusion of power, precision, and technology. For purists, the loss of the V10 will always be significant. But the Temerario proves that performance isn't defined by what's removed. It's defined by what replaces it. And what replaces it is faster, sharper, and more advanced than ever before. The Lamborghini Temerario is not here to imitate the Huracan. It's here to surpass it. That's it for today's journey with MotionRev. Subscribe for more cinematic car experiences and stay tuned for what's next.